Hey, 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 y'all. Hey, y'all. Hey, y'all. Hey, y'all. Hi, it's me, Miss Mighty Incredible. Welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, show me some love. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And for my oldies but goodies, y'all know I love y'all and I appreciate ya. So today is going to be a different video. So I entered into a giveaway. Yes, I did. And the person who started the giveaway, her YouTube name is Everything K. I will link her name down below. So in order for you to be entered into the giveaway, you had to follow her on her YouTube channel, which is Everything K. You had to follow her on her Instagram page, which is Musics44. I will also enter that below. Well, I'm gonna put it in the comment description below. And you also had to write a very thoughtful comment about one of her YouTube videos, and I did that and I won. My first time winning a giveaway, and I am so thankful for this. So that's what's in this box. All right, I opened it, but I didn't show y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all what I have. Okay, so the first thing is these cute nails. They are so cute. This is like right up my alley, and look, I got some cute nails right now, but these is mine. But these is cute to have also. You know, I may not want to do my nails. You know, my nails may be rusty and busty one day, and I got some of these to throw on them so I could be popping 10. Yes, okay, y'all. What else? I got some more nails. These are super adorable as well. What else? I have this color right here. It's so cute. This color is like a metallic, nice, you know, teal color. That's cute as well. What else? I have some nails, you know, extra nails. Plain ones that I could design on my own. Can y'all see that? Yes. Ooh, I have these right here. Look at the multicolor ones. They are so adorable. Do y'all see the love? Ooh. These are adorable as well. Alright. What else do I have? Some more nails. This color is nice and cute. I have some nail design stickers. I have some more nail design stickers. What else? I have some more nails that I could put on my real nails, you know. What else? Ooh, I have some scented wax that I can melt. I love my scented oils, you know. That one is cherry berry, and it smells so good. This one is fresh cotton wax, and I already used 2 of them, and they smell so good. What else? I have some glitter right here. Hooking me up. What else did I get? I have a mascara right here. Can y'all see it? Yes. And last but not I can't even talk. Last but not least, I'm so excited. I have a palette. Let me show y'all how it looks. I can't leave y'all hanging, you know. This is how it looks. Alright, so let's see what's inside. Ooh, so cute. Here's everything. These colors are wonderful. I just can't wait to use them. Like, really. It is so cute. So yeah, that's everything, y'all. And I appreciate everything that I received. Everything is so on point in regards to the makeup, the scented cubes that also melt. What else? The nail accessories. Everything is so on point. Everything is what I actually use, you know. So I'm so happy. I really appreciate it again. And also, y'all, if you're not following Everything Key, make sure that you follow her, because she does so many great things on her YouTube channel. And also, you know, you could get some cool stuff like giveaways. Like, y'all better. If y'all don't, y'all better. Anywho, it's time for us to say goodbye. So, love, peace, hugs, and kisses.